Our next presentation is a new name in textile printing, and especially DTG, Print Factory. The name says it all. And we are delighted that they have now entered the printed clothing world with their super fast, automated workflow that increases color consistency. And if that hasn't blown your mind, Print Factory do the thinking for you. So let's now discover the full potential of your production with Print Factory's Industrial Textile and DTG solution. And let's get you thinking about better printing, bigger profits. Welcome live to the stage, Simon Landau, Print Factory.
Hello all. My name is Simon Landau and I want to welcome you all to the presentation, Discover the Full Potential of Your Production with Print Factory's Industrial Textile and DTG solution. Today, amongst the increase in consumer appetite for fast yet sustainable fashion, there are many challenges to growing production efficiently and maintaining or indeed increasing quality whilst maximising the bottom line profit. On the production side, the trend for shorter run one-off orders increases. Companies with multiple regional or worldwide facilities struggle to maintain uniformity of quality and efficiencies across those production sites. Differing front-end web-to-print, MIS and ERP systems and production platforms tend to allow for a disconnect and non-efficiency of supposedly integrated workflows, which often do not allow for complete error-free and seamless production of time-sensitive products. We see Industry 4.0 connectivity uptake is still very sporadic, and the analytics gathered are often not being used efficiently, if at all. In some areas, demand for more cost-effective and faster sampling is increasing. There are more and more substrates to choose from, and designs often need to be repurposed quickly and easily to keep up and provide unique and fresh products. Quality maintenance across multiple different printing systems and production sites is also a big challenge as consumer quality expectations inevitably increase. And the need for sustainability and reduction in waste has also got to be in mind as we strive for more environmental responsibility, as well as increasing the bottom line profitability. We have all seen a massive change in consumer behaviour as a direct result of the global pandemic. Many production companies have struggled to deal with the increase in demand, as well as the shift to one-off bespoke design ordering. This is ever more apparent in DTG and ready-made garment production. The trend for micro factories providing end-to-end supply and the obvious move to a more automated design-to-ship workflow present a whole host of challenges to maintain or increase efficiencies and qualities, as well as maintaining profits. Now I would like to present Print Factory's Industrial Textile and DTG solutions and show you how we have addressed the challenges and trends faced in this exciting and growing market. Using at its core a world-class colour engine and providing a raft of advanced yet easy to use tools, together with a consistent and powerful XML-based automation integration, Print Factory is a fully scalable solution that will enable faster, more efficient and better quality production and increase profits. We see an ever-increasing trend towards automation in every area of industrial production, and textile and DTG producers are not different in this regard. Print Factory's consistent XML architecture means that connecting to web-to-print, MIS, ERP systems cost effectively and efficiently has never been more attainable. All the advanced tools required for production, including step repeat, colorway picking, profile selection, etc., can all be XML triggered for full end-to-end error-free workflows. In addition, with the Industry 4.0 access given to us by some of our print manufacturer partners, we can provide production analytics back to the front-end connected systems to allow for a transparent overview of the production floor with its obvious benefits. PrintFactory also has a cloud link to back up every resource automatically and distribute media profiles, custom spot color libraries, DTG presets, and more across multiple RIPs and printers, as well as production sites. Cloud-based ripping and QR code print triggering is now also possible, with clustered printer pooling and auto exclusion for offline printers for full-on automation. PrintFactory's editor tool is a powerful front-end application that takes all the features of traditionally used design and editing apps to allow for quick onboarding. It has a soft proofing built in and has a huge raft of time-saving tools, and now the game-changing ability to provide this powerful tool, this editor tool and layout tool, freely to your clients for remote connection to your production site. With jobs on whole queues, PrintFactory provides an unrivaled value proposition. PrintFactory's Textile Step and Repeat tool is easy to use and fully editable. It allows for RIP once output of the first repeat and selection of drop length or repeat number only at printing stage for maximum speed and efficiency. We also send our length data via XML instructions to a host of industrial textile printers for error-free order fulfillment. This process, as well as all the other processes in PrintFactory, have XML triggers and thus can be fully automated with instructions from job tickets supplied by Web2Print, MIS and ERP systems. Our garment nesting, using our TrueShape nesting technology, is a quick and powerful way of maximizing media usage, as well as respecting weave direction and providing for a post-cutting collation workflow. These processes can be achieved at desktop level, as well as in our cloud solution, and linked with our previously presented data and asset management systems. Automated seam bleed creation, automated collation label creation within the seam, and XML-based triggering and upload for the Web2Print connections is all achievable. Specific to direct-to-garment printing, our new Dtg Separation Tool provides a powerful and easy way to create advanced white underbase, white highlight, and the removal of garment color in the design imagery, all with a preview that saves huge time and money in wasted media and sampling. Coupled with the quickest and easiest profile creation workflow with our Visu color engine providing maximum color gamut and gray balance, the absolute best quality of output can be achieved easily and quickly, and more importantly, maintained and matched across multiple printing platforms and indeed production sites. The DTG tool presets are automatically backed up to the cloud and distributed across multiple production sites, and the print jobs can be triggered and generated by QR code scanning of a job label. And finally, a new trend in textured or 2.5D haptic printing has started to make its presence felt in textile production, with the simulation of thread and weave patterns, as well as other associated special effects. This lends itself perfectly to PrintFactory's haptic printing capabilities, with not only the advanced design, creation, and white ink generation tools in Editor, but also the single job, multiple file output often required for this type of production, but done seamlessly and easily. Here you see in the small video an example of what we've done for some time now in UV printing with this powerful feature of our solution. We integrate prepress and color management tools in a single platform across a wide range of substrates to create stunning and colorful visual effects. With PrintFactory, you can send color plates and several layers of differing white data in a single process to both roll-to-roll or flatbed printers, creating powerful, advanced special effects and embossed features. I would like to thank you all for your attention, and I'd also like to invite you to our virtual booth for a technical demonstration and/or to our website for more information at printfactory.cloud. Thanks again and stay safe all, and I will now be online for some minutes for a Q&A session. Oh, Mike's silent. Michael's still silent.
1 2 1 2. Very good. We got there. I told you there'd be technical problems, and it is always me. That's the problem, which is good.
It's not always.
But Simon, the good news is the guys will edit. I'm completely edited out of all the takes, so that's good. But thank you for your presentation. Thank you for your presentation, and it's really good to see PrintFactory, because I know PrintFactory from the wide format world, and now as soon as I heard that you were launching into the DTG world, I thought, fantastic. This now creates more, of course, efficiencies. And of course, if you're looking at the trends in the industry, such as on-demand customization, that whole automation of the workflow is essential for the textile industry right now. So what's the feedback like since the launch?
It's been very good. It's been very good indeed. You know us, Michael. We listen to our clients. We're very, very close to our clients. So we see exactly what is required out in the marketplace, and provide the solutions to solve the problems that everyone's facing, whether that be in traditional large format print, or in specialist markets like industrial textile or DTG production, or ceramics printing, wherever it is, interior decor. That's what we aim to do. We want the most profitable and efficient production floor in all these markets, and that's what we strive for.
Fantastic. And what's sort of the package? Is it a monthly costing, and what's the investment from a customer?
Well, again, we try to be as easy to onboard and versatile as humanly possible. So we make it very, very simple. We don't have lots of complicated options and pricing structures. We include all the tools, all the exclusive features, some of our exclusive tools as well. All the tools that others would supply, but we include them all. There aren't any options. It's literally the pricing structure is based on the printers, or the amount of printers that you're driving, and everything else is included in the software, including the advanced, powerful, Adobe-like editor tool that we have, that I described, the layout tool as well, and they are freely licensed. So not only can you use them on as many compatible platforms in the production site's local area network, but as I presented, we now offer the smart working solution. So we can just the customers, the production sites, and the companies that are our customers can distribute editor and layout tools to their customers with direct links in freely, so that they can straight away they can see all their printers and queues, and they can submit jobs in for hold, or however the workflow wants to go via the cloud app. And they could take advantage of these very powerful tools as well and link them into their client base. And the delivery system is on a monthly SaaS charge, a yearly SaaS charge, or a perpetual license with a maintenance agreement as well.
Fantastic, Simon. Thank you. Simon, thank you so much for your presentation. So, of course, we look forward to seeing you in the product demo area and then your demonstrations for the audience later on today. Thank you.
It's my great pleasure, Michael. Thank you for giving me the platform, and thank you for everyone for listening.
Brilliant, thank you.